One easy way to track student grades without using complicated software, Google Sheets is all you need. Here's how to set it up. Start by opening a new Google Sheet. In the first row, add headers like student name, assignment 1, assignment 2, midterm, final, and total grade. Enter your student names down the first column and start adding their scores across the row. To calculate total grades automatically, use a simple formula. For example, in the total grade column, type equal to sum. In brackets, you gotta go write B2, ratio is to E2. This adds up all the scores for each student. You can even go further and use equal to average, finishing off with two brackets to get their average mark. Want to make it visual? Use conditional formatting to highlight grades below, passing in red or top scores in green. Super helpful for quick overviews. And since it's in Google Sheets, you can access it from anywhere. Share it with co-teachers or even set up protected ranges so students can only view, not edit. That's how to track grades with zero hassle using Google Sheets. If this made things easier, hit follow for more classroom-friendly tech tips.